Hey, so what is an iGuide? Well, let's take a look at an iGuide report. This is what you'll receive when we complete an iGuide for one of your listings. We completed this iGuide back in December 2019. Basically, you're going to get a report in your email here. Looks like this. Has all your details. So let's go through them. The first thing is the address here, which will take you to the branded link. The branded link is also down here. You can also click on any of these buttons. It'll take you, allow you to share the report to social media, or share the virtual tour to social media. But let's click on one of the virtual tour links. That's the first thing here. Let's click on the unbranded one. So basically, here is the virtual tour link. If you click and drag on the photo on the right, you can look around the house. I'm sure you've seen something similar to this before. If it's the branded link, basically it's going to have a drop down here with all your branded information on it, and then it'll go away while you're viewing the house. So this is the floor plan here on the left, obviously, and the photos here on the right. Now there's a couple ways you can go through the house and view everything. You can click on the dots right inside the picture. So if I click here, it'll take me in here to the living room, and I can click and drag and look around. Or a lot of people find that disorienting, which, I don't blame them. I get it. So this is why I really like this system. You can teleport anywhere throughout the house using this floor plan by just clicking on any of these green dots. So if I want to go to the dining room, I click on the green dot here in the dining room, and I'm there, and I can look around. If I want to go to the foyer, I click on it, and I'm there, and I can look around. If I want to go upstairs, there's a number of ways I can do this. I can click on this icon here, or I can click on this drop down that says main floor, and I can go to second floor, and I'm there. If I want to go to the master bedroom, boom, I'm there. This is a really, really powerful and very unique, cool system. If I want to go to the basement, click down here, click on basement, and I'm there. Let's go back upstairs. Another very cool feature to the iGuide system is this measurement tool. I love it. It allows potential home buyers to measure the room in specific spaces that maybe didn't come up on the floor plan. So I can click on this little measurement tool here, and then what I can do is, let's say I want to measure this closet over here on the floor plan. I can click and drag and draw a line and measure. Now I can see that in feet, or I can see it in meters. If I change it to meters, it shows me it in meters. Let's keep it in feet. And I can click and draw as many of these lines as I want, which is pretty awesome. I can also click and hide the floor plan if I want to see the room in a full screen view. And then we can upload your photos right to this link as well. So you can click on photos and view all those. You can click on details to see the details of the floor plan. It'll allow you to have it again in feet or meters. Then I can click on this button and download the PDF floor plan. There's all your information on here. Last thing up here in the virtual tour is the map, which basically just gives you a Google map to see what's around you. Let's go back to the 3D virtual tour. And that is essentially it. So you can go right to that from your email. You can go right to the floor plans from your email in feet or meters. If I click on it, it's going to bring it up. It's going to have your total square footage plus your square footage and dimensions throughout every room in the house. Has your compass so you know which way is north. Also has an extra link here so that if you need further explanation on how measurements are taken, kind of explains that to you here, which is nice. So you can download or print off this floor plan. Let's X that off. Then your downloads here, you have all your images for MLS or for high-res images, and your offline iGuide, and then photospheres. These are the 3D photos that you often see on Facebook and other areas in social media. You can download these and you could upload one to Facebook and you can kind of look around that specific photo. Then your tools here, if you're in a hurry and you need to make a quick brochure, boom, click on this link. You can make it whatever color you want, enter custom information here. You can then click on, let's see, you say I want to make this image there, just click on the image, and I place it there inside the brochure, like so. Something like that. Click Create PDF. That's going to download to your computer, and it's ready to go. So if you're in a hurry, you don't have a brochure made, you need one, boom, it's ready to go. All right, and then your embedding tool, if you're pretty tech savvy and you want to put this 3D virtual tour onto a website, you have your HTML here, you can copy and paste it right in. And you can preview what it looks like right down here. Lastly are your property details. They'll all come right inside your email. And again, another link to kind of show you a little more of how to use this report if needed. And that's pretty much the iGuide. We hope you like it. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email at joel@absolutealtitude.us or give us a call, 412-874-1209.